Welcome back to Torque Tomorrow, where we dive into the most exciting machines shaping the future of mobility. Today, we're looking at a legend redefined, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This isn't just another luxury sedan. It's the blueprint for what excellence looks like when heritage meets innovation. Visually, the 2026 S-Class builds on its legacy with a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile. The iconic grille is bolder, the digital headlights sharper, and the slightly stretched wheelbase adds both elegance and interior space. It's not just about looks, it's about presence. Under the hood, Mercedes offers a lineup that blends power with efficiency. From the silky inline-6 with mild hybrid assist, to the punchy V8 with EQ boost, and even a plug-in hybrid version with up to 60 miles of electric range. There's an S-Class for every kind of driver. All models come with 4 MATIC all-wheel drive for confident handling in any condition. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like a high-tech sanctuary. A massive floating OLED touchscreen runs the latest MBUX system with AI that learns from your habits. Napa leather, ambient lighting with over 250 LED options, and rear seats that offer massage, wellness programs, and Burmester 4D sound turn every ride into a first-class experience. Tech lovers will appreciate Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities in select markets, along with next-gen safety features like predictive crash detection and automatic evasive steering. Pricing starts around $115,000, climbing past $150,000 with options. Is it worth it? For those chasing the pinnacle of luxury and innovation, absolutely. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We've got more automotive brilliance coming your way. Until next time, keep chasing the drive.